See this TikTok account? Thousands of followers and viral videos every day? What if I told you you can create the same kind of videos in minutes using AI? I'll show you how. Instead of spending hours scripting, editing, and searching for clips, this all-in-one AI tool does everything for you. Just enter an idea. AI generates the script, visuals, voiceover, and subtitles. Everything is synced automatically. Export in one click. The AI tool that will make your TikTok videos go viral is called Edimakor AI. Just visit the first link in the description to start using it for free. Okay, to create a video like Fruit Love Island that goes viral instantly, go to Edimakor's dashboard. Here, you first need to sign up. After you sign in, you will see many options. You can start making videos using their ready templates. To make a perfect video, go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. You can change the prompt based on your script needs. You can find this prompt in the description below. As you can see, this prompt gives a full video script with an image prompt and a video prompt. Now, first copy the image prompt. Then go back to Edimakor. Here, go to text to image. You need to create the image first. Now, you can choose the image AI tool. You will see tools like Seedream, Nano Banana, Grok AI, and more. I will choose Nano Banana 2 because it is my favorite image tool. Then paste the image prompt that we copied from ChatGPT. Choose your image quality. I will choose HD 4K. Then choose the size. We are making a TikTok video, so choose 9:16. I will choose one image. I'll tap on Generate. As you can see, this is a credit-based tool. We will talk about credits later in the video. All right, the image is ready and it looks perfect to me, so I will download it. If you want, you can make it again or edit it. Now we need to turn this image into a video. The good thing about Edimakor is you can do everything in one place. So tap on Image to Video. Here, upload the image we just made. Again, you can choose different AI tools like Seedance, Kling AI, Pixverse, and more. I will choose Seedance because it works best for me. Now, you need to paste the prompt. So go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, then come back to Edimakor and paste it. We need audio with dialogue, so go back to ChatGPT and copy the character dialogue, and come back to Edimakor and paste it here. Now choose the video time. You can make up to 15 seconds. So I will choose 15 seconds. I will choose 720p quality. Finally, click Generate. Okay, the video is ready. Let's watch it.
I choose.
He's lying, bestie! He told me I'm his main peel!
Nah, he literally said I'm the core of his life? This is a fruit catfish situation!
Wait, y'all weren't supposed to meet?
I knew this show was Pulp Fiction.
Oh my God, this video is amazing. Look how well the audio syncs. And the best part is how the porn moves with the scene. Overall, the video is very high quality and perfect to go viral on TikTok. And just like that, you have viral-ready TikTok video. You can post consistently, test ideas, and grow fast. And Edimakor is not just for TikTok. You can create ads, YouTube Shorts, and more. Choose from ready-made templates and customize everything in seconds. No design skills needed, just plug and play. You can directly create the Fruit Love Island style video using this template. All right, you can start using Edimakor for free. After that, you can choose their paid plans, which start at just $4.67. With the basic plan, you get 20,000 credits per year and access to all AI tools. The Pro plan gives you 40,000 credits. The Premium plan, which is the best, gives you 100,000 credits per year. They also have monthly plans, which are good for small creators. Go visit Edimakor from the link in the description and start for free now.